So this is what happens when you don't travel with your own motorbikes. Everything on a rental. Look at
Alrighty folks, our fancy shindig for the evening. Look at that. Well, this is way above Sophie and I's usual stay. Staying at the residence at Tonglor. Nice bathroom, amenities. Alrighty guys, we were what, 6.5 hours, 7 hours on the train? Grabbed a taxi. Taxi took us about 45 minutes from the train station to here. So finally here in Bangkok, checked into the room. We're gonna shower up, clean up, and head up to the rooftop. And our friends just boarded the plane, so we'll see them in about 2.5, 3 hours. Yeah. You want to show us the view, Sophie?
Yeah.
She's trying to work these curtains. They're fancy, you know. It's common folk don't know how to use these curtains. They're split. No. It's coming, I promise. Welcome to Bangkok. Alright, I gotta drop these bags. I'm like a pack mule. Look at all this stuff I'm carrying.